5 things to know while you're applying for student visa. First, financial documentation. Many countries want to see whether you have sufficient funds to cover your tuition fees, living expenses and other costs. So keep your bank statement, scholarship award letters and financial guarantees handy. Next, health examinations. Many countries may ask for a medical examination to ensure that you are in a good health and do not pose any public health risk. So be ready to provide necessary medical reports. Third, criminal record checks. Some countries may require you to submit a police clearance certificate or a statement of good conduct to verify that you have no criminal history. You can get the police clearance certificate from the local police authorities. And the fourth point would be insurance requirements. Make sure that your policy has access to healthcare services while studying abroad. And the most important thing, each country and institution will have a different application deadlines for student visa. Missing these deadlines can lead to delays and even visa denials. So plan accordingly. Share this with your friends and
Follow Auxilo for more information on education and financing.